Magandang araw po sa lahat. Uncle Rock here. Ang paksa natin sa ating short video ay kidney diseases in mainstream medicine versus German New Medicine. Before that, mag-disclaimer po muna tayo. Ikaw pa rin ang may freedom to choose what's best for your health and wellness. Pero syempre, always consult your trusted physician with great discretion. Sa German New Medicine point of view, ang mga kidney diseases na yan ay hindi lang basta sakit. Ito ay resulta ng biological conflicts gaya ng abandonment conflict or yung feeling mo iniwan ka o wala kang kakampi. Existence conflict, yung parang survival mode o paano ako mabubuhay. Refugee conflict o nawalan ng tahanan, pwesto o feeling displaced. Sa GNM, ang sakit ay actually part ng meaningful biological special program ng katawan. Kapag na-resolve na ang conflict, may natural healing phase. Dialysis is only recommended kung sobrang taas na ng creatinine, above 12 mg or DL, habang nagre-recover pa ang katawan. Ang root cause naman sa mainstream medicine, sa physical factors, diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, and obesity. Meron pa mga other causes, genetic conditions, glomerular diseases, autoimmune diseases, kidney stones, infections such as UTI and kidney infection, structural abnormalities sa kidney or urinary tract. Meron ding mga risk factors gaya ng age, family history, ethnicity, and smoking. Ito naman po yung mga treatment sa mainstream medicine. Okay? Para sa high blood pressure, ACE inhibitors and ARBs and diuretics. Para sa cholesterol, statins. Para sa anemia, erythropoietin o stimulating agents. Para sa bone health, vitamin D, calcitriol, phosphate binders, other medications, SGLT2 inhibitors, and GLP-1 receptor agonists. Kapag malala na, ito yung mga common na ginagawa, dialysis and kidney transplant. So, ito na po yung summary ng comparison natin. Sa mainstream medicine, focus sa physical causes plus symptom management. Yung treatment is medications, dialysis, and transplant. Plus regular monitoring and lifelong medicine. Sa German New Medicine naman, focus sa emotional and biological root cause ng conflict, healing, natural recovery after conflict resolution, and dialysis only if creatinine is above 12 mg/dl. So, kailangan po ninyong pag-aralan ng 5 biological laws. I will provide links and also the video lecture ni Caroline Marcolin. Have a nice day po.